Hey guys, this is Epson Ecotank ET3850. We're going to set this printer up. You switch this printer on and off from this button. Once you plug it onto the power, then you switch the printer on from this button. The next thing you need to do, you need to select your language. Use up and down arrow to select the language. So English, then you select OK. Now I will show you scan this QR code to set up, or you scroll down to select continue setup without the app. Select OK. See the start bundle with printer or the website to complete initialization. So now what we want to do is to install the ink. So open up the printer. Open the cover. Now take the ink bottle. So take the ink bottle. So open the cap, then put the black ink bottle. This is cyan. Magenta. Yellow. This is done. So remove this, close the cover, close this, then the next open up cyan. Remove cyan. Close the cap. Open up magenta. So just remember there are stickers on top to show you the color. So the black is BK, cyan is C with light blue color, magenta, and yellow. So there is a sticker on top. Close this. Close this. The last but not the least is yellow. And the good thing about this is you can't use different bottle to different one. It will not work. So the yellow is going in. So yellow is done. Remove the bottle and close it. Close this down. And close the printer. Now the next thing you need to do, once you fill the ink tank, you need to press the question button. So press it for 5 seconds. Now make sure that all the ink bottles are filled up to upper line on the ink tank. Select the start button to start ink charging. So you select this. You can also select OK to start. So now, initialization, please wait. So it's warming up. It will take about 10 minutes for this to warm up. So this will take about 10 minutes. There's a line here, it will reach to the end. Once you reach the end, then you progress to the next. But this is how to fill the ink tank. Then you need to wait complete initialization. So it's taking place. It will take about 10 minutes. So you can see that this is coming to the end of the line. Initialization complete. Move on to print quality adjustment. So this is how to install the ink bottles and also complete initialization. Thank you very much indeed.